Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the basement production. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that. Look behind me. No one behind me. I was in a row and I decided to stop to record this video. I mean, sometimes we have to lay back, take a minute for ourselves, and just liberate ourselves from the stress, from the everyday hustle and bustle. We just gotta enjoy what is in front of us. Life goes so fast that we just always rushing to do something. We don't appreciate this. We don't appreciate what we have. Sometimes we just work. There was something behind me. I thought it was an animal or something. I was about to run. But we don't enjoy this. It's not even cold, It's just snowing. It's beautiful. It's falling down. It's coming down, and it's just so nice, So nice. I decided to stop in this road all by myself. All by myself. It's nice, quiet, I just taking the time to record this video, to upload it to you guys so you could see. Like I said, just take a minute for yourself. Enjoy life. Enjoy the time that you have. We all gonna have issues in life. There's gonna be problems. There's gonna be bills to pay. So it's not around that. It's not. Just enjoy life. That's the only thing I have to say. Just enjoy life. I wanted to do this type of video for a long time, and I got the opportunity today because it's snowing, and I really enjoy snow. Since I was a little kid, for me it's a big thing. For me it's a big thing. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I can't say no more. The only thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get out of here because I'm in a hill. Hopefully I don't get stuck. So guys, there's gonna be a bunch of stuff coming up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, Omarete Vilato, the basement production, please do so. Click the notification so every single video that I make go directly to you. Leave your comment down below. Like I say, enjoy life. Enjoy life. This is beautiful over here. Quiet, nice, clean. I got the road all by myself. Look at that. All by myself. So guys, I gotta get out of here. With no further ado, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the basement production. This is so quiet, so beautiful. What more do you want? What more do you want? This is so peaceful. I could be here all day long. Unfortunately, I don't want to get stuck. So I gotta go back to the main road. I gotta get back to the highway. I'm just cruising around neighborhood with all this scenario, with all these epic things that I'm seeing here. All this stuff that we don't see every day. Winter, in a few months, winter will be over. We're not gonna be able to see this, or we're gonna have to wait another year. So why not record it? Why not share it with you guys? So guys, there you have it. I'm just sharing with you my experiences. I'm just sharing with you my experiences. This scenario right here. This is beautiful. This is nice. Guys, look at how it looks. I tried to stop recording, but it's totally crazy. It's totally crazy how this stuff looks. This is just unbelievable. You can hardly see anything up. I gotta see a guy walking his little dog. Why not? Dog enjoys snow sometimes, or most of the time. See, the main road is pretty clean. They do a very good job. The road that go inside houses, that's where they have the problems. Look at this. This is totally crazy, guys. Totally crazy. But it's lovely though. It looks beautiful.